Good morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to day 6 on board Radiance of the Seas. Now, we have already docked in Bimini here in the Bahamas, just waiting for them to announce that we can get off of the ship. Now, today I'm going to explore around. I'm heading over to Resorts World. Got an excursion over there. Allows us into the beach club where they have food, drinks, swimming pools, and of course the ocean. Gonna take the snorkeling equipment with me, and we're gonna check out Resorts World here in the Bimini, Bahamas. All right, so you have the walkway, the free shuttle, and then the Resorts World line that we're in right here. You can see the trams right over there. Alright, so we made it to the World Resorts Beach Club. Not a bad little tram ride, just a few minutes over here. We'll kind of walk around and explore. But you have private cabanas. I think we have hammocks. Got some games, some volleyball. All right, so we made it in the water. The water feels great, but snorkeling is going to be a problem, at least right in this area. There's so much waves, it's turning over the sand, making the water really, really cloudy. So I don't think we're going to get any snorkeling done, but we can still enjoy just kind of bobbing around in the ocean. A little wavy today, too. So, still gonna be a fun day. All right, here's a quick little map of the area. All right, so we enjoyed the beach club area, took a look around, did some swimming. Now we're gonna hop back on the tram and we're gonna head over to the next resort that they said. Now that one's supposed to have an infinity pool, supposed to have a casino and some other stuff there. So we're gonna hop back on the tram and see where it takes us next. All right, so we are inside the Hilton. Let's see what's going on in here. So there is a casino in this hotel. Souvenir shops if you need to get any souvenirs. So you have the casino area back up there. Now normally they don't let you film inside a casino. They also have a Hemingway's restaurant. All right, and then they have the one of two pools. It's got a pool bar. It's a nice long pool. You can see it stretches all the way down there. So it stretches all the way down, all the way along here. It looks like if you have rooms here along the first floor, it kind of gives you instant access to the pool. And then on top of that, got a little view behind you while you're in the pool. You have the rooftop infinity pool. Take a look at those views. Alright, so we are over here at the Fisherman's Wharf area. It's a small shopping area, and it is the third stop in the tram ride. And we'll kind of walk through here and see what's all in here. So you have the travel center. Place to get some coffee, tea, cold drinks. Got a rum bar. Alright, so this beach right here, which you can see is right here at the end of the pier to the right. You can see the cruise ship behind me. So this beach itself is free, and the water looks really pretty. Looks like you can go out pretty far. It's not too deep. There's a couple of barracuda right there. Hopefully they come out. And a whole bunch of fish right over here swimming near the surface. Several of them over here as well. All right, and that is going to bring us to the end here of day 6 on board Radiance of the Seas. And it was a really great day. Had a great time in Bimini. Went over and did the 360 beach experience. Went over to the Hilton Hotel. Checked that out. Went over and checked out the Fisherman's Village. Wasn't really a lot there. Just a couple of little minor shops. Place to grab something to eat. Not a whole lot going on there. Walked back to the cruise port and found the free beach right there to the left if you're looking at the cruise ship of the pier. And that probably had some of the clearest water and where I actually saw some fish. So in retrospect, if I could do the day over again, I probably would just go there and not even worry about paying to go to the other places. But super easy to get to. The tram runs regularly. The tram is free. But all in all, Bimini turned out to be a really great day. Came back on board the ship. Just happened to be standing outside. They decided they were going to lower a boat over the side of the ship. So I was standing right there, so I got a little filming of that. It was just kind of cool to see. It's not something I've ever seen up close. So I enjoyed, experiencing that. Then I went to the production show tonight called Oh What a Night. It is a Frankie Valli in the Four Seasons tribute group. They came on just a one-night only show. They're actually only on the ship here for a couple of days. They came on in Nassau. They're getting off in Cozumel. So just a quick hop on the ship to give us a show. And it was really, really good. 4 port days in a row. It's been pretty tiring, so I think I'm ready to get some sleep. We do put our clocks back an hour tonight. We had to move them forward when we were heading east. Now that we're heading back west, we're going to move them back again an hour. So get an extra hour a night of sleep. And tomorrow is going to be a sea day, so plenty of opportunities to rest and kind of rejuvenate before we get to Cozumel. All right, I hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.